In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset uTorrent preferences. If your settings are acting up, speeds look off, or features aren't behaving as expected, a clean reset of your preferences can often fix it without touching your actual torrent files. Start by opening uTorrent so you're looking at the main app window. We're going to close it properly to make sure it doesn't overwrite anything while we reset. Go to the top left corner and open the File menu. Choose Exit, and when you're asked to confirm, click Yes. Give it a moment to close completely. If you still see the uTorrent icon active in the system tray, wait until it disappears. The goal here is to make sure the app is not running at all. Next, head to the Windows search bar on your taskbar, or press the Start key to bring up Search. Click into the search field and type %appdata% exactly like that with the percent signs. Press Enter. This takes you straight to the roaming folder inside your app data directory, which is where many applications, including uTorrent, store their configuration files. In the window that opens, look for the uTorrent folder and open it. Inside, you'll see a list of files and possibly some subfolders. We're interested in the preference files. Find a file named settings. And delete it. Then find settings.old and delete that as well. These two files hold your current and previous uTorrent preferences. Removing them forces uTorrent to rebuild fresh defaults the next time it starts. If you're a bit cautious, you can copy these files to your desktop first as a quick backup, then delete them from this folder. If you don't see file extensions, focus on the names. You can also sort by name and look for settings. With those files deleted, go ahead and reopen uTorrent. It will recreate new preference files automatically, just like a first-time launch. You may notice some prompts or default choices the first time it comes back up. That's normal and exactly what we want. Take a moment to review your preferences afterward, especially download locations, bandwidth limits, and interface options, and set them the way you like. Your existing torrents and data shouldn't be removed by this process, but your app-specific choices are now back to factory defaults. That's it. By closing uTorrent, navigating to %appdata%, removing settings.dat and settings.dat.old, and launching the app again, you've performed a clean reset of your uTorrent preferences. If things feel smoother now, you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.